Okay guys, it's Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another Trains At, and today we're at Exeter St David's on this Sunday afternoon. I thought I'd come by this weekend and make a video after all guys. I know I said I was taking a break, a 1 month's break, but it was hard to, I have to admit. What I will be doing though is I will be taking a break during the weeks, as I'm at work anyway, so I'll be taking a break during the week and I'll make a video or two still on the weekend, so at least I'm sort of uploading something. So yeah, we've got going out now. It'll be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. 802-108 is the number on this train. Interestingly, it's calling at Dawlish Warren, then Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. So in this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry. There'll be no South Western Railway today unfortunately guys, due to engineering works apparently. Should be made for a good video still, despite no South Western Railway. So yeah, I plan to make this video at least in between 20 minutes to half an hour. So yeah, so as always, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, we're back in the video, and coming in now will be the 1415, I believe, Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It's 802-013 at the front, giving it the beans, and 802-012 at the back. So that's tidy. That is 012-013. So I've been getting one or two comments saying that I talk too much in my videos, and well, all I can say is I suppose you're entitled to what you say about that, but I've always have done commentary on my videos. That's not going to change. I did try and do a video without me talking too much, but it's just impossible. I've got to do commentary in my videos. So if you're being picky about me talking too much and you don't like seeing that, all I can say is, if you don't like seeing that, don't watch my videos. That's all I'm going to say to that. I'm not forcing you to watch my videos. So if you're being picky on that situation, then yeah, like I said, don't watch my videos. That's all I'm going to say to that. So yeah, so here in front of me on platform 1 we got the 1418 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. This will be formed of a double 150. We'll see that go out in a few minutes, and that's about it so far. So we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we are back in the video, and as you can see coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. 800-317 is the number on that train. I gotta say, I always thought that 800s, seeing 800s down here is kind of rare, but maybe not the case now. I have been seeing a few 800s lately. And also coming in will be the 1419 Great Western Railway service to Barnstable, followed of the 158956. Obviously, as you could tell guys, it's predominantly Great Western Railway trains at the moment, but as the video goes on, obviously we'll see services from Crosscountry. So yeah, so I'm tempted to keep the camera rolling because that That Great Western Railway serves the Penzance should leave. It's just about on time, it is. That Exeter train will leave at 14:18, so that's not too far away from leaving. Yeah, that Penzance train looks like it is about to leave. So, we'll keep the camera rolling. It's kind of tricky how to record a train going out from platform 4 that way. I think if I point the camera that way, you'll see it go into the picture in a minute. One, two, three, and there she is. There she goes, just about on time. I think I'll keep the camera rolling for the Exeter train, which will be about to leave in a few seconds time. So obviously I've been noticing lately, also on my last few videos, I'm getting dislikes every video now, so I'm kind of getting used to it. It doesn't bother me, but I would like to know why I'm getting the dislikes. Maybe for the people who have been disliking my videos, you can kindly leave a comment saying why you're disliking every time. That'd be most appreciated. I won't be offended if you said that you're not liking my videos. I won't be offended, but I just need to know why you're not liking it. That's all. So we do have the Great Western Railway Service to Exmouth about to depart. It's the 150-207 at the front. With the 150-233 at the back. I haven't seen the 233 down here for a while, so good to see the 150 down here again. Okay, there she goes on time, and we got the Great Western Railway Service depart, so we're about to depart. There we go, excellent. Okay guys, we are back in the video, and about to come in will be an empty coach and stop movement from Bristol to Meads going to the Exeter TMD. Not quite sure what kind of make of train it is.
The fast train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
Okay, so interestingly, it's going through 5 now. So what is this going to be? Ah, it looks to be a turbo. Interesting to see it's going on 5 now instead of 4. It's meant to have gone on 4, but it's going on platform 5. So the number on this turbo will be
Platform 3B, for the 14:30 Great Western Railway service to Paignton, calling at Exeter St Thomas, Starcross, Dawlish Warren, Dawlish, Tinmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. This train has 4 coaches.
Slowly getting there, guys.
3B for the 14:30 Great Western Railway service to Paignton.
So it's 165 131. Now that's a turbo I haven't seen down here before, so that's different. So, like I said, guys, you'll see that go into the Exeter TMD. It's a movement from Bristol to Leeds. Bit weird. Never seen anything like that before, especially on a Sunday at least.
The next train to
So,
arrive at platform 3B.
I'll keep the camera rolling.
14:30
For the Paignton train.
Western
Yes, I will.
Railway service to Paignton. This is the service from Exmouth.
As it's coming in now. Guessing it'll be a double 150. Certainly is. 150. 265. Well, we'll be at the back once it leaves. One 221 will be at the front. I believe 150-221 is one of those 150s that has bad Wi-Fi. Yeah. Oh, as you can see, we've got that turbo down there. It's going to go into the Exeter TMD. Doesn't look like he's ready yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds. Okay, guys, we are back in the video, and we do have that turbo now coming into the Exeter TMD. 165131 is the number. So we will be seeing cross-country trains. I promised you on that, guys. Nice tones there by the driver. Pick it up, yeah, still moving. Good to see that the turbos are down here now. Apparently we might have 2 turbos on the Exeter to Paignton line come mid-May. Obviously that's when the next easement of restrictions will happen. And then obviously the last of the easement or restrictions will be June 21st. That's when all social contact will be lifted. Maybe we won't have to wear masks anymore. I won't be a guarantee that we won't have to wear a mask anymore. There's always a possibility we might have to wear a mask again come the autumn or winter time, but we'll have to see wait to see what happens on that, actually, on the June 21st. So possibly by mid-May everything will be back open again, so that's the main thing. I suppose the social contact thing on June 21st will just be a bonus if that gets lifted, in my view anyway. So as we got the Great Western Railway service to Paignton about to leave, the 14:30. there she goes. Okay guys, we are back in the video, and as you can see over on platform 1 was a Great Western Railway service from Barnstable going to St James's Park. 158951 is the number on that train. Good to see the 951 back down here. Don't often see the 951 down here all the time. Finally should see a cross-country service coming in now going to Plymouth. So the St James's Park train is leaving because it's only just on time. Looking quite clean. That makes a change. And we see another turbo down the line. So that's one of the turbos that is on the Exeter painting line today. So I'm tempted to keep the camera rolling to see that come in. And the cross-country service from... I'm not sure where this cross-country service is from. Got to get back to you on that one, guys. What I do know is that this is 9 coaches long. So it's 221 and 132 at the front, as you can see. I'll keep the camera rolling for the turbo. Heard the track change, so I'm assuming, is he gonna move? Yep, she's moving now, so we will keep the camera rolling. Didn't want to come in back into an unnecessary clip, you see, guys. So so we got the Great Western Railway service to Exeter coming in from Paignton. This will be a turbo, one that's 66 turbo, I'm assuming, because it's got 3 coaches long. So as you know, guys, it's obviously bank holiday tomorrow. It's 166-219 is the number on the turbo. So yeah, it's bank holiday tomorrow, but unfortunately the weather is going to be quite diabolical, so I probably won't be out tomorrow. If the weather was better tomorrow, I would have been out, but unfortunately the weather is quite bad. So yeah, so we'll come back in a few seconds once this cross-country service goes out. Okay, we are back, and just to clarify, this cross-country service to Plymouth has come from Leeds, and that turbo over there is not going to Exmouth, it's actually going to Exeter Central. Good to see the sunshine coming out for a change. And it's 220,019 at the back. Okay, well, we got this turbo over here, which will be going to Exeter Central, not Exmouth. It would be nice if I can get my facts right, wouldn't it? And that's due to go in a minute. So I'm just tempted to again keep the camera rolling. So yeah, like I said, if the weather was better yesterday, well, not yesterday, tomorrow. You see, guys, you know why? I'm all over the place with my commentary today, aren't I? Oh dear, dear, dear. It's been one of those days, and I gotta go home later to watch the football and watch Liverpool, and that's not going to get much better either, the way Liverpool are playing this season. So my day could get worse. So we do have the 166,219 working a 1451 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central. Lovely. Okay, coming in now will be a late running terminating service from Plymouth. Yes, you guessed it, guys, Great Western Railway. Obviously, when I came today, knowing that I was going to obviously come here and make a video some days today, I knew that it would be mainly Great Western Railway trains today. There will be another cross-country train shortly in the next couple of minutes, so you know, hasn't all been Great Western Railway trains, but the Great Western Railway trains we've seen have been a nice mixture though. So this is a castle set. 43029 is at the front. So this can actually go back on time, because this will be going back out at 1501, despite it arriving late. And a 43154. Okay, so we have that turbo turned back in from Exeter Central on CC6219. And I'm going to keep the camera running for the Great Western Railway service to Plymouth, 1501. Back on time now, despite it coming in late. there she goes. You gotta love a castle set. Okay, we are back in the video, and about to come in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This will be the 15:15. This one is definitely on time. This will be a 9-coach IET. This will be another train we haven't seen. It's 8:02 at 111. So there's a few more trains I want to get on camera after this one. There'll be another cross-country service behind this. A Peyton service, which I'm hoping we haven't seen yet. So yeah, there's one or two more I want to get on camera before ending the video. And there she goes, typical IET fashion, goes all the way at the platform. Don't know why it does that, but there we go. You gotta love it. So yeah, those are the last few trains I want to get on camera. Like I said, that cross-country service will be coming in shortly. There'll be a Peyton service, and what else was it? I think that was basically it actually. But yeah, one or two more trains I want to get on camera. So yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, well, for the sake of the video, I might as well record the 158951 coming back in. Obviously the difference now, it's going to Barnstable now. Funny, like years ago, well, a few years ago, I wouldn't say years ago, we never used to have 158s down here, all turbos, but now we do. So it's good to see that down here we're getting a good amount of variety now. Obviously with the Pacers retired last December, obviously the turbos down here, 102 is obviously necessary now to fill the diagrams on the Exeter Peyton line and that. So yeah, and obviously the 158s always have been on the Barnstable line for a while now, so yeah. Okay guys, we are back with the last few trains of the video, and come storming in now will be a cross-country service to York from Plymouth. You should also see a IET coming in from London Paddington going to Plymouth as well. 220-031 at the front. (220-034) at the back. So, yeah, we should have an IET coming in as well from London Paddington to Plymouth, hopefully. Doesn't look like it's coming in yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds. Okay, we are back in the video. As you can see, Great Western Railway service to Plymouth is now leaving. 802-106 is the number on that train. Cross-country service to York is about to leave as well. And the Great Western Railway service to Peyton now coming back in. This is the 150, 233 and 207. So as the cross-country service to York goes out and the Great Western Railway service to Plymouth goes out and the Peyton service comes in, I am going to leave it here on this Sunday afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Gotta say, nice little variety, despite no South Western Railway trains. Still good variety, I have to admit. For 150s to 158s to the turbos to the ATs and Voyagers. So overall, in a way, still a good video. It is bank holiday tomorrow. I would have gone out to make another video tomorrow, but the weather is not looking great, so I probably won't be out tomorrow. So I'll see whatever you're doing on the bank holiday tomorrow, guys. Have a good one, have a safe one. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to be making videos now on the weekends. I'm going to be taking a break during the week, but making videos on the weekends. So that's my schedule now for the next few weeks. So until next time, from me here at a sort of a sunny but overcast Exeter St David's. I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.